Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Bluetooth in XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 Pro. First you need to open the Bluetooth panel and find the Bluetooth on this page. For example, I turn on it and Bluetooth will be turned on. And you can hold it, and here you can change the device name. Click on the check mark. Then you can connect to some device with your phone, for example this or other, and you can find the additional setting, and here you can turn on this option, and this all for today. Goodbye.